All right, guys, so up next, we've got our standing shoulder press. Now, as always, depending on your shoulder mobility, depending on your anatomy as well, you may find that a slightly more narrow elbow on that 45 might be more beneficial, or you may find that coming straight out on that 90 is going to be a lot better for you. Of course, everyone's going to be different depending if you've got previous injuries, like I said, depending on your anatomy. So as we go to take up those dumbbells, popping onto the shoulder, we're squeezing the glutes, making sure that as we press, we're not coming into that anterior tilt, so we're staying nice and locked on, pressing straight up above the head. As always, guys, make sure we're not doing a mill press out in front. We're going straight up, making sure as we press, we're not coming up and then into elevation. We keep that shoulder depressed the whole time. Those lats are our stabilizers. Standing shoulder press, nice and easy, guys. We're not recreating the wheel. Just go through, get some big shoulders. Wish I had them.